Sa lahat. Ay, hindi ma'am. Ano na lang. Nakakalimutan lang. Pero sa median talaga nagugulan.
Sa mode, lower class boundary of the modal class plus how to get the modal class? What? Ano meron sa frequency?
Yung ano ma'am, sagot, ano yung sagot?
Ah, yung 8.
Frequency.
8.
20 ma'am, 8.
muna ma'am.
Yung pinakamataas.
Pinaka?
Mataas.
So,
Yes.
this is your
Yes.
modal class. In getting the modal class, just identify the highest frequency. So, what's the lower class boundary of the modal class?
40.5.
40.5 plus, sige, get natin yung, ito,
Delta.
frequency of the modal class minus frequency before the modal class. The frequency is 8. What's the
Seven.
frequency before? That
Siete.
is 7. So, we have
1.
1.
Alright.
Alright.
How about the delta 2?
After the frequency.
After the
Frequency.
frequency of the modal class. So, 8 minus
5.
5. We have
13.
13.
Tres. Okay na sumobra,
What's
huwag
the
na
weight
magulang.
again? Wait. What's the weight?
Wait ma'am.
8.
10.
43 kilos.
10. Wait. 10.
10. 10 kilo.
Ang team 10.
40.5
Bro.
plus 1/4 times 10. What's 1/4 in decimal point or in decimal form?
Ano?
That is 0.25.
25.5. Ano? Sheesh.
0.25 times 10.
2.5.
That is 2.5.
Ang pagkakas mo na 80.
Final answer would be
Zombie mode.
any questions?
Not yet.